The minute you guys get defensive, the minute you try and have a witty, clever comeback for everything, is the minute you fail, right? Do you guys have real-time reporting? No. Oh man, that's too bad. Just out of curiosity, when you say real-time reporting, can you give me a specific example of what you were looking for? Yeah, our CEO needs to be able to see the dashboard. Got it. How often does your CEO need to be able to see the dashboard? Well, we have meetings every Friday. We have company review meetings. Our CEO needs to go in there in the morning, look at everybody's progress, look at their pipelines, look at it by region. Totally makes sense. You know, because of the fact that you said the CEO needs to get in there which day was it? It's every Friday. Perfect. Does it make sense for us to set up a push report that would go to that CEO? What time do they typically get into the office? They're there before anybody. They're there at 5. What if we did a push report that at 4:30 a.m. gave that CEO a real-time accurate screenshot of everybody's dashboard where everything is so that she can have everything ready for the meeting there at 9 a.m.? Yeah, that's what we were looking for. Awesome. Does it make sense to get you guys access to the software? Yeah, it does, right? It's how you handle the situation. But if somebody goes, hey, do you have real-time reporting? No, we have push reports. They're just as good. Okay, yeah, thank you so much for your time. We needed real-time reporting. CEO says they got to have real-time reporting. I'll see you later. Bye. I'm not sure if it's for you, but if you work in sales and you absolutely positively have to double or triple the amount of money you're making in order to truly enjoy your life, click the link here. My name's Matt Easton. I'm the founder of Easton University. It's the most effective sales coaching in the world. Click the link here. Check it out. You're going to see we'll give you access to an on-demand learning portal that's going to give you video coaching with me on everything you need to know to double or triple your income, or even more. Everything from prospecting to closing to handling objections and complaints to building your personal network and self-confidence, but it doesn't stop there. Click the link here. You're going to see that when you get a membership to Easton University, you're also going to have the ability to do live coaching with me twice a week. You can ask me any questions. We can work through anything you're struggling with. I will be there with you every step of the way to help you double your income in sales right now. Click the link now. You're going to see we've helped thousands of people just like you, and we have the video testimonials from them to prove it. Easton University is more than a learning portal. It's more than live coaching with me. It's your future, and you and your future are worth it. Click the link now. I'll see you at Easton University.